So here let's look at question 19, and could explain the conditions that are necessary for confidence intervals, and basically the three conditions are random, normal, and independent. And the idea with random is that the data has to be random or we can't generalize from the sample to the population. And the whole point with the confidence interval is to take a sample to make a guess about the population. So that generalization is kind of an important thing. The idea about normal is I don't know how far out two standard deviations is if I don't know that the graph is normal, because it may not be symmetric. Even though I could have a standard deviation, it may not be the same because we don't know the symmetry, we don't know the fall off, we don't know what that distribution looks like unless I know that it's normal. And the great thing is about the central limit theorem that I get normality by simply taking a large enough sample size, and large enough turns out not to have to be that big to begin with. The idea of independence is really important because in order to use the formulas for standard deviation that we're using now, the data needs to be independently selected. And so this idea of independence is also an important concept.